Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to change it up just a little bit because I have not been to the Dollar Tree in quite some time, and if you are a long-time subscriber, you know I used to frequent Dollar Tree all of the time and post my Dollar Tree hauls. So I thought we would do one today. First, I'm going to share with you things that I got for my house as far as like decorating goes. Just really simple things to decorate for Easter. I don't really go all out for Easter like I do the other holidays, but I do like to add some eggs and bunnies in there every now and again. For my bathrooms, I usually go to Dollar Tree and get all of the holiday towels, and I got the Easter egg print for all of the bathrooms. I got 3 of these, and again, you can't go wrong with $1. I don't really mind so much if the kids wipe their hands with these. I usually don't like them wiping their hands with my decorative towels, but for these I don't mind, and usually after the holiday is over I will just toss them in the garbage and just buy new ones the next year because these really don't hold up that well after you wash them a couple of times. But anyways, I got the egg print for my bathrooms, and I got the floral spring prints for the kitchen, and I'm gonna put these on my stove or, you know, under the cabinets, just a little decorative touch. So I got these 2 for the kitchen. I also got a couple of pot holders, and 2 came in a pack, which is awesome. I'm always needing new pot holders, and the ones from Dollar Tree are not the best, so I'm constantly buying them, but they're cute, and I just usually use them for decorations. And I also got a oven mitt to go with the pot holders and the towels. All right, so I got those. Also got these cute little buckets, little tin buckets, and I'm not real sure what I'm gonna put in these. I might put some eggs and just place them on the top of my cabinets maybe. I don't know. Haven't really decided, but I did get these, and they had other prints, but I thought these were just cute. All right, so I got those. I also got these little candle holders, or little tea light holders, and I'm actually gonna put these in the living room on my shelves. It's like a farmhouse decorative touch, gold inside, but yeah, you just put a little tea light candle in there. I'll probably put some flowers in it for now, but yeah, I did get 2 of those. I like the color. I also got 2 of these glass canister. Let's see, they're glass, and I thought maybe I'd put some vinyl right here. I don't know, maybe I'll put these in the craft room. Maybe I'll use them in my pantry because I am about to redo and reorganize the pantry. I don't know, I could put like sugar or I don't know, something small in there, or I could put these in the craft room and put like buttons and you know, barrettes or something in there, but they are glass and I thought they were cute. So I got those. I also got this wall creation jumbo stickers. These are like the peel and stick, kind of like vinyl. And I got these for Kennedy or for Reagan. It's a unicorn. It's the unicorn right there. And I think Kennedy will like this. She likes to put stickers and the vinyl decals on her wall. So I did get that. And it just happened to be a unicorn, which she loves. I picked up some hand sanitizer. These are really cute. And I'm just gonna, you know, put them in my purses. I change purses quite often, so I'm just gonna drop them in random purses, and I'll always have some hand sanitizer because, you know, germs and all. So yeah, I thought those were pretty cute. They got little ice creams and little cupcakes right there. Just some small hand sanitizers. All right, I did pick up some new polish colors. I think I'm gonna just start painting my own nails instead of going and getting them done. But I did get this cute bubblegum pink, and I just love that for spring and summer. And then I got like a hot pink, also great for summer. And then I got this color, and I just realized that I've already bought this color, but I love a good taupe. So I did pick up those 3 colors. All right, so let me get the other stuff. But again, this is like the house stuff that I specifically got to put out. But let me go ahead and get the Easter stuff and show that to you. For the Easter and craft supplies that I got, of course, I cannot go in Dollar Tree without getting eggs. So I got 2 of these large eggs, and I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna decorate with these or put something in here and give a little happy to somebody, but I love the big eggs. I just had to get those. I also got these little hanging, they're wood, little Easter. This one's got Happy Easter, and then it's got all of these eggs. That one's really cute. And I'm not gonna hang this. I'm actually going to take them off and I'm gonna decorate with them. I haven't really decided if I'm gonna put them in my 3-tiered baskets or if I'm going to, I don't know, just spruce up my shelves, but I did not plan on using it as a hanger. You can also put these on like wreaths and things, but they're just cute little decorations. And you get one hanger, but you get so many different little eggs. So I got one of those. I got the Happy Easter one. And then I also got this one. And it says, all bunnies, what does it say? Welcome. All bunnies welcome. Ah, can't get it. There it is. Welcome, and then bunnies, all bunnies welcome. And again, I'll probably take these off and display them together, but just not hanging. Or maybe I'll turn them over and transform them to something else altogether. Or I mean, I guess I could. That would be cute. Put a little egg or something in the middle and cover this up. Cover the words up. I don't know. I'll figure that out. But again, I am just going to be taking all of them off, and these are stapled, but I'll just cut them off. All right, I got those 2 little wall hanging things, and I got some of the gel clings. Kennedy loves these. She likes to put them on my refrigerator. I don't really know why she likes them so much, but she's always asking for gel clings. She probably watches some YouTuber and they play with the gel clings. I don't know, but I got those for her. And then I got this welcome sign, and it's got cute little bunnies. See, it says welcome. Cute little bunnies. Look at that. I will probably take the hanger off and, I don't know, slide it in an easel and stick it somewhere, but I thought that was cute. Let's see. I can zoom out so you can see it. See? Welcome bunnies. They're so cute. They look like peeps. So yeah, I got that. And then, let's see, I picked up some of these eggs, and these are foam eggs, and they've actually, I guess they're like for one of these little trees, but again, I'm going to, I don't know really what I'm gonna do with them. I'm gonna probably take the little hangers off and decorate with them, put them in little buckets or something. I haven't really decided. Maybe I'll stick them on a hair bow for Easter. I don't know, but I did pick up the foam eggs. Now these are the egg picks, and I got 4 of these, and I am going to craft with these. I saw at Walmart they had little terracotta pots, and of course I'm gonna paint these pots. I got 2 of these for $1, but they made like a little egg topiary, and I am going to make 4 of those. So yeah, I got 2 of these, and I also got 3 of the smaller ones. So I'm gonna paint those and stick these in the center, of course, with some, you know, that floral foam, and yeah, I'm gonna put these on my shelves. So that's what I'm going to do with those eggs. And then I got the wood tower game. I got 2 of those because I'm going to be using these to make frames for cute little Easter sayings. And I also picked up these small stretch canvases. I got 2 of these and then 1 of the smaller. And what I might do is I'm gonna paint something on here, or maybe put a vinyl Easter bunny or something for Easter, and I might go around it with the wood pieces to make it look like a frame. But if I don't do that, I also got some of these small display easels. I got 2 of the smaller ones, and they're gold. I'll probably spray paint them. I don't really care for gold. And then I got 2 of the black, and I was thinking of, you know, displaying them, something like that, and putting them on my shelves. Maybe I could put like an egg, I don't know, an egg in the middle. I don't know, just something cute, simple, easy for Easter. But yeah, I did get 4 of the easels, 2 of the blocks, and then I just love to have canvases around anyways because we do a lot of painting. So yeah, there's that. I picked up 3 packs of the mesh tubing. I got this turquoise, I got a yellow, and I got a pink. And I'm actually going to be using these to make hair bows. So stay tuned for that. But this will make quite a bit. So yeah, thought that would be cute. What else did I get? Oh, I got 5 of the, let's see, this is 6 inches. Each one of these is 6 inches and it's 5 yards. So I did get some decorative mesh. Again, I got 5 of these, and I'm planning on making a wreath to go on my door. Hopefully 5 will be enough. And I've already got the wreath form. So yeah, I did get those. I also picked up a pack of gold coins. These are going to be for a St. Patrick's Day hair bow, and I got to get that finished because St. Patrick's Day is coming up. All right, so I think that is all of the crafty items that I got. You'll have to stay tuned to see what I actually do with this. But let me get the other stuff and then we'll wrap this video up. Okay, last but not least, I am about to start organizing my life, which means first and foremost, this house, all the junk drawers and just cabinets with random papers and empty Play-Doh containers, they are about to be organized. So I did have to pick up a few things for that. I got these little baskets, these long baskets. You get 3 for $1, and these are gonna be great for my makeup drawer. It is a state of chaos right now. So I did get some of those. I only got 1 pack. I'll probably go back and get a few more, but to start out, we got those. I did pick up 2 of the, well, you get 2 of these cooling racks, and I'm gonna be putting these in my craft area with some little hooks and little buckets to store things. I'll show you that when we get to it. But yeah, this is for organizing, not cooling, organizing. I also picked up some of these bigger baskets. They're long, but they're bigger. 2 to a pack. I got 2 of those, so I got 4. And then for my pantry, I got, how many of these? 1, 2, 3, 5 of these baskets. And I'm gonna put these in my pantry when I get to the pantry part of my life organization. Yeah, it's seriously a state of chaos, you guys. But anyways, that's all of the items for now that I picked up. And I forgot to show you the eggs that I got. I got the glitter eggs. I got some pipe cleaners because I needed these for my wreath. Yeah, that's why I got these pastel pipe cleaners. Here is the floral foam. Again, these are gonna be cut down and put in my little pots for my eggs to stick in. And then I found these at Walmart. They were actually 98 cents, the same as the Dollar Tree. Actually, these might be made a little bit better. So they do have a good selection of these for $1 at Walmart. So yeah, that's what I got. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for the Dollar Tree haul. I am going to get started on some of these projects right away, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully we'll get back up and going on bow tutorials and crafty stuff, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay guys, I forgot, I am going to insert the 2 names of the 2 winners of the recent giveaways that we had. One being the hairbow winner. You'll get the big box of hairbows. Your name will be after this clip. And then also we had another small giveaway for the ribbon bag. And again, your name will be inserted after this clip. And I'm so sorry for just now getting these out to you, but I've had camera issues and I've not been able to upload. So congratulations to our winners, and stay tuned because we're gonna have another big monthly giveaway. I've not decided what the prize is going to be, but as always, you'll need to comment on each video during the month of March. And after the month of March, we will have another big winner. So again, congratulations. Thanks guys for commenting, and check to see if you won. And I will see you in the next video, and that's it. Finally, I promise.